I'm Zach, and I'm here to talk about repair kits for your Cat on-highway truck engine. As you know, routine maintenance is critical to keeping your truck rolling, but sometimes it can be a hassle to fit into your busy schedule. That's why we offer convenient kits that cover essential and often overlooked elements of truck engine maintenance. Let's take a closer look at these 4 easy and affordable ways to repair your rig. First up is the Cat Exhaust Manifold Install Kit. A leaking manifold makes your engine work harder, reducing fuel mileage and potentially leaking fumes into the cap. It can cost you extra during an inspection and even put you out of service. Our Exhaust Manifold Install Kit is a quick, easy option for repairing your exhaust system. One we recommend when you need to reseal the manifold, replace the turbo, or repair the exhaust bellows. This kit contains new gaskets, nuts, studs, washers, and exhaust manifold sleeves, if applicable. Everything required to stop a leaking exhaust manifold from costing you downtime and fuel. Now let's talk about the Cat Injector Cup Kit. A failing injector cup can leak fuel into your cooling system or vice versa. And as you know, fuel and coolant don't mix. A simple way to protect your cooling system is with this kit, which comes complete with new filters, gaskets, O-ring seals, and injector sleeves or cups. The Injector Cup Kit is a smart repair choice when you need to replace injectors, if you discover fuel in your coolant, or experience a leak with any cup. And here's a smart thing to remember. When reusing the cylinder head, or when you find one injector cup leaking, it's a good idea to replace all the cups to avoid further repairs and downtime. This kit pairs well with a bronze, silver, or gold precious metals kit for an overhaul that maximizes your Cat truck engine's performance. Next up is the Cat Exhaust Bellows Kit. One defective bellows can throw your entire engine out of order, diminishing performance and putting a damper on your drive. This kit makes repairing those connections simple with new bellows or expansion joints and V-band clamps included. We recommend using the Cat Exhaust Bellows Kit for Assert engines when you replace a leaking bellows, repair the manifold, or install a new turbo. And if you're replacing one bellows, go ahead and change out the other one at the same time to avoid additional issues. Finally, let's look at the Cat Spacer Plate and Shim Kit. When you remove your engine cylinder head, you may find your spacer plate is pitted or not flat. Or you may discover that the liner protrusion of your cylinder liners no longer meets specs. This kit offers a convenient way to solve those problems, especially after you cut your block's counterbores. It includes a spacer plate, head bolts, washers, and 32 thousandths of an inch cylinder liner seat inserts, the most commonly used insert. We recommend the Cat Spacer Plate and Shim Kit when you're completing a cylinder head replacement, when you've pulled the head and the counterbores need to be cut, or when your engine tops 750,000 miles, which is generally when the spacer plate issues begin to occur. You can also use this kit as part of a larger maintenance plan, building on a high mileage overhaul, as well as bronze, silver, and gold precious metals kits, especially since this kit contains the cylinder head bolts and washers. With these 4 affordable and easy to install kits, no bump in the road will put you out of commission. And by paying attention to routine maintenance now, you can avoid paying too much in repairs down the road. If you have questions about any of these maintenance kits or any other truck engine overhaul or repair needs, get in touch with your local authorized Cat dealer. You can also visit cattruckengines.com to see all our repair options and the Truck Engine Resource Center.